Hi, Scott Dolan at MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas. We're going to take a look at a brokerage listing I have, a 2021 Harris 230 Solstice with a power tower, trailer included, single owner freshwater boat with a 250 horsepower Mercury. So 230 Solstice, one of my favorite models that Harris currently builds. Just about all the features of a Grand Mariner at a significantly lower price. So 23-foot logs, about 25 foot of overall length. Wraparound seating in the front, L bench back here in the back. So this is a flip-flop backrest. So what you can do is you can flip the seat this way if you want to use this as a rear-facing chase, or you can actually remove this cushion, and then the backrest will go down flat to give you this big sun pad back here. The other thing that you can do is flip this backrest up and use this as a forward-facing chase, which is really, really nice. Because when your bimini top's open, you're going to have shade from here all the way to the very front of the boat. So works really, really well. 250 horsepower Mercury, extended ladder, also submersible swim seats. That flips down over the back of the boat. So if you go boating with dogs or pets, there's no better way to get a dog back in the boat than the submersible swim platform. Safety fencing around the back of the boat, making it legal to ride back here. And one of the best things about this boat, it has like 18 hours on it. It is essentially new. They bought it from me new in 2021, decided that they just weren't using the boat. They decided to get rid of the lake house, so that's why the boat's on the market. Also comes with a trailer, which is pretty abnormal for here. Most of our boats are trailered at additional cost. JL audio throughout, so JL subwoofer, JL speakers, JL tower cans, as well as amplifiers. This boat also has full lighting package, so LED lightings in your speakers, cup holders, under the seat bases, underwater in the back, and under rub rail all the way around. Elevated helm, Mercury active trim, 9-inch Simrad built into the dash, so downscan sonar, fish finder, GPS, forward-looking nav. It also has all of your Mercury vessel view stuff run directly through the Simrad. So spectacular boat. Boat is not going to be on the market long. So if you got any questions about this or any of the other boats you see online, this one you can give me a call directly about. My cell number is 301-501-7123, or you can email me at scott.dolan@marinemax.com. Thanks a lot. I look forward to talking to you.